taking me on a hike?
Trust me, it's not an ordinary hike. Come on.
What if I do this?
Whoa, 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 not so high.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. Fuck? Oh, God. And now he's waving at us.
I see you.
What do you want?
What's the opposite of world peace?
Okay, he's a fucking psycho.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where'd he go?
It's a terrible feeling. Looking back and having the Empress. Tedious decision. Own hating you.
Stop!
To me.
What the hell's happened with you two?
It's a long story.